even know this ain't good. So done. Riding down on college hard. Light on that bullshit. Whipping on that full grain. Gripping on that full good.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I style this hair. This wig is glueless. This hair is from Lumiere Hair. All the links will be in my description box. I really like this hair. I just wanted to show you guys a different way to just do something quick and easy. You guys could do it neater than I did, but this is completely glueless. You could take it out at night, or whenever you're ready to take it out, you can take it out. So I am just going to get right into the video because I do not want this video to be too long. I want you guys just to learn what I'm doing, and you can try it out as well. Also, I just want you to know that the flaps are flapping because it's not stuck down, but if you wanted it to be stuck down, you can use some Got2b free spray. Also, this wig does have an adjustable strap and combs, so you can use that to make sure your wig is not going to fly off your head, because most people were complaining about that in my glueless video, that how's the wig going to stay on your head? Adjustable band and comb, okay? So yeah, all right you guys, so we're gonna start off by putting our wig on our head, of course, and then just push it back. What I always recommend is putting your wig on how I had it flipped over, and it makes your wig way more snug, like way more, yeah, snug, than if you were to put it on from the back. Anyways, you already see it's looking mad beautiful. We're gonna use our Afro G mousse. It wasn't focusing, but this is the mousse that I use all the time. If you guys watch me, you would know this is the mousse that I use. So I'm just using that to lay the front of my hair, and then I'll be right back. This is very simple. This is what I did for my glueless install. I am gonna have it linked up in the eye above if you want to check that video out. But yes, we're just gonna do this, and then I'll be right back.
Pleasing you is my habit. I need you to say something. We're down to the last option. Seems like nothing's working for. I need you to say something. Right now you're not talking. It's crazy cause you're always talking. You seem nervous. You just made it up.
Okay guys, so now I'm going to lay it down with my Tropic Touches headscarf. I love this headscarf. I wear this headscarf as a headband. I lay it to lay it on my wigs, everything. Okay, so now I'm gonna blow dry on warm air or high air, whichever temperature. That's a good temperature to dry it. You could do low if you like as well. Then I'll take it out, and you guys see how it's nice and dried. It looks natural already. No glue, no spray, no nothing. Okay, so this is that. Keep in mind there is combs and an adjustable band in the wig, so you don't need to be worried about your wig flying off your head. Okay, so right here I noticed that I wanted to do a braid at the top of my head, but to do a braid, especially on a glueless wig, you have to make sure that you're tying down the front of your wig, because your wig is going to be like yanked off your head trying to braid it. So that's all I'm doing right here. Then I'm trying to see where I want to braid, and I started doing like a triangle type of thing, but you guys can see the lace doesn't really go back that far, so this hairstyle was a fail. But if you have like 13x6 or something, this is the perfect hairstyle for you. With this wig, I recommend just wearing it in a flip over style, because this hair is really beautiful in a flip over style. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it for it to play, because I did go ahead and try to braid it, but I didn't like how it looked. As you guys seen in the beginning, it didn't really look too nice. It's a little messy, but I'll be right back when I have more commentary.
You just made it awkward. You just had another drink. Put the glass down and talk to me. Why you make it so hard to talk to me? Yeah. Say something, right now you're not talking. It's crazy cause you always talking. You seem nervous. You just made it awkward. You just had another drink. Put the glass down and talk to me. Why you make it so hard to talk to me?
Every single time I do my braiding videos or I do braids on my wigs, I make sure that I use this head wrap. I got this from my local beauty store. Normally people use this when they wrap their hair to preserve the hairstyle, or to like set the hairstyle when they have to sit under the dryer. So I feel like this helps push it down. As you can see, it looks more flat than if you were to just leave it out. And then I just take off the head wrap, and you guys see everything is nice and laid. That's basically it. I did go ahead and show you guys me fluffing out the hair a bit, and then I put the hair behind my ear. There's no spray or anything on this wig, so if you want it to be more secure, you can spray it or glue it down. But this is basically it. I attempted to do this hairstyle. It looks crazy, but I really like this hair. If you just want like a effortless type of wig, this is it. I'm showing you guys you can remove this wig anytime you want to, at night and in the morning, anytime. All the links to Silly Hair will be in my description box, so you guys should check them out because this wig is very, very nice. The only thing I would say is there's not too much lace area to play with, but if you just want a nice grown look, this is the look. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you're going to try this hairstyle, tell me that down below. I don't really have too much to say. This video was very, very quick, so it's for like anybody that, I don't know, like if you don't know how to style a wig or install a wig, this is the great method to use. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye!
I just wanna know when I'm flat down low. Even though this train, girl, so done. Riding down on college out, light on that bullshit. Whipping on that full grain, gripping on that full cut. All I wanna do is put you in a new